Good morning. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich with your Tuesday, April 16th outlook. And starting off today with the forecast weather meter, we're giving today a rating of 7 on a scale of 1 to 10. 10, of course, being the nicest. And we will have some showers and thunderstorms that will be isolated this afternoon across parts of our area. So that's why we're keeping it at a 7 and not going higher than that, despite the temperatures being at or near 70 with partly cloudy skies. The fire weather and UV index for today, we're giving the fire weather danger a low rating today. Again, with those showers and thunderstorms that could pop up at any time late this afternoon ahead of a cold front. And the UV index we're giving today a rating of 5 on a scale of 1 to 11, which is considered moderate. Okay, start off with a little bit different than we do normally. This is the convective available potential energy, or the CAPE, that is going to be present this afternoon. This is just a measure of the amount of instability in the atmosphere. And if you see what we're showing here, this area here over basically central Pennsylvania, but more, mainly west central Pennsylvania, is where the higher CAPE values are going to be. But you see over in the east over here, the instability is a lot more stable. So we're not expecting anything severe today. We're going to have to watch a line of storms that we're expecting to develop in this area here. There may be an isolated severe thunderstorm warning that pops up over in this area this afternoon. There are some indications that that is possible, but it'll be very, very isolated if that does happen. But I think once it presses east, it goes across the mountains, they'll just die out. You might have some leftover thunderstorms, but we're not expecting severe on this side of the state here. And we'll show you the NAM future radar for that. Now this is, so I'm going to show you, this is responding to what it's, to that CAPE, running into that CAPE here. This is the line of thunderstorms that is expected ahead of the full cold front. But remember the most unstable air that I just showed you was right in this area. So when this goes forward in time, you see the line starts developing and then blowing up here in that same area here. So you could have an isolated severe cell pop over in this area here, but again, as it pushes east here, it looks good here now, but then it starts to fall apart and just go into regular thunderstorms at this point. Once it goes over the eastern side of the state, you can clearly see that here on the high-res NAM, but isolated thunderstorms over in this area nonetheless are possible. And this would be late this afternoon or early evening that takes place. Okay, our next big rainmaker is going to be Friday. This is going to be ahead of a strong cold front. We're going to have to watch this one for severe as well. A little too early to tell if this is going to be a severe event or not. And the biggest reason for that is not the ingredients that are in the atmosphere this time. Is going to be the timing. If this comes in comes in late and it comes in after we lose daytime heating, it'll cut down on the severe possibilities. But if it does come in earlier enough, we will be dealing with severe thunderstorms on Friday evening. Now this is Friday evening at 8 o'clock. And thunderstorms if it does come in at this time, you still have a good shot at it as it pushes east. And then that's shown here on the European model, where it does put down some pretty heavy rainfall and maybe some a situation like last Wednesday where we had some gusty winds out ahead of it, but not a major deal. And then that pushes out for Saturday morning and sets up the weekend for a nice weekend. And then as far as temperatures today, again, we're near 70 today. Might back off a degree or two tomorrow, and then we're right back in it Thursday, and then especially Friday. Friday looks like it's going to be the warmest day of the week with the southwesterly winds out ahead of that front before the front does move through. And then as we head into the weekend, temperatures back down to near 60 or 58, 60 degrees across our region. Mid-50s as you head further north. That's all I have for today. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich with your Tuesday, April 16th outlook. Have a great day.